We've all heard about the importance of setting boundaries for maintaining harmony in our lives. So, why is it so hard to do? I'm Dr. Diane Shannon, founder of Shannon Coaching for Life, where I work with women physicians who want to reclaim their time for what really matters. Prior to becoming a coach and consultant 6 years ago, I was a freelance writer for 20 years, and before that, a primary care physician. So I get the importance of healthy boundaries. In my talk, we'll focus on the reasons why boundaries are so critical to a satisfying personal and professional life, and why setting them is so darn challenging. You'll learn a 5-step process for setting healthy boundaries, and you'll develop a script for saying no so you have the words ready when you want them. I wish you the best and look forward to seeing you at the conference.